Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change the background right in Microsoft Teams. Yes, very important. How we're going to do that. So we're going to change the background in Microsoft Teams. So let me bring up the team right here. Right, it's very important here. So this itself is the Teams. And how we're going to actually change the background first. We want to come right here. I have to turn on the camera first. Now that first to see the different background. What it look like. Now that. But if you notice here, that section right here, you notice my background, you see all these stuff. So you just want to cut out that. So what you want to do, come up here to more, right? We're not going to click on more. Click on more, you notice right here, it show a background effect, it show a language and all that. Right, you're going to click on background effect. So when you click on that now, you're going to see some different era come up right here. Right? So if you notice right here, different era, right? If I click on this one, then I come down right here and click apply. Click apply. If you notice right here my background outlook. Here, notice my background. You notice I can't see nothing else behind me. So if I come right here, so and I click this one over here, and then I come here, I have to click on apply. And then this is how it look right here. Right? So you can actually scroll up, correct some more. Here, other side, you can actually scroll up. Notice there are more. If I click on this one, and then I have to click on apply. All right, you notice how this background look like. I was going to click this one. There are a lot of them which you can actually explore. You notice this one. All right, there are more here. There are different types. All right, and a person apply again. All right, if you notice this type of background, you have several. You can come right here and close it if you're satisfied with it. So this is how we actually change the background right here in Microsoft Teams. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.